Somebody car alarm going off. They're black and then they, oops. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I actually have a super interesting video for you guys. I haven't really done this before, but hey, this is first time for everything. Today I'm going to be doing an inventory video where I basically just show you guys a little bit behind the scene and everything that I order for my restock with my business. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Kiki and I basically sell organic, all natural hair care products such as hair oil infusion, hair butters, hair greases, things like that, hair balms. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and make sure you check out the link in my description so that you can check out my hair care products. All right, so let's get into it. All right guys, so first things first, we're just gonna open up some of the boxes that we have here. I mean, duh, why did I just say that? Anyways, we're gonna open up this first box right here at the top. So this, I'm pretty sure, yep, these are my caps. So I order my caps from Uline. They come in the quantity, I usually order a case, which comes with about 320. So I can just show you guys what that looks like. Yeah, I just keep them in my boxes or whatever. But let me show you guys. Oops. It's raining cats. That was so late. Okay, these are the caps, guys. This is what they look like. So they're black and then they, oops. So they're black and they come with a white cap inside, like a white lid inside, so that when I close it, when the person receiving the product opens it, it's normally like a white cap covering the product just for extra security. It's like a sealant. And yeah, so let's open up the second box. So this is my cetyl alcohol. This is one of the ingredients that I use for my hair butters. This is a new version of the hair butters that I'm making, mainly because I've been getting so many comments, so many DMs, so many emails with you guys telling me how the current hair butter is melting in transit. And when people receive the hair butters, I'm noticing that it's like half full, and I'm like, that's a problem, because I don't want people to think I'm like cheating them out their product or their money or whatever. So I figured this would be a better version since I'm not whipping this product, and it's an emulsified version. So yeah, so speaking of emulsified, this is our emulsifying wax. This is the product that allows the water and the oils to mix and not separate. And then this is my wax. This is the wax that I use for my hair butter balms. And let's see what else we have. So for the hair butter balms, it's basically like a grease, a hair grease, mainly because when I was using the Blue Magic, we're on the third box by the way. When I was using the Blue Magic, a lot of y'all was on my neck. Y'all were like, yeah, you need to stop using Blue Magic. It's I had somebody comment, it was like, it's 2024. Why are we still using Blue Magic? I'm like, all right, dang. So y'all know one thing about me, I'm gonna make my own hair care product, okay? And I realized that a lot of y'all were looking for an organic hair grease the same way I was, so I decided to sell it. All right, so here we have our mango butter, which is one of the ingredients in the hair butter balm, which is the hair grease, the hair growth grease. It contains mango butter, shea butter, the maximum strength oil, which contains 10 plus herbs such as neem, burdock root, amla powder, fenugreek, all the good stuff basically. So this is about 7 pounds of mango butter, and I usually order my butters from Bulk Apothecary, mainly because they like bulk. It's literally in the name, Bulk Apothecary, right? So they carry the heaviest amount of butters. Like for example, the one that I'm sitting on, it's literally 55 pounds of shea butter. I don't know where else I can get that from, and this lasts me quite some time. So I could say it could last me about 2 weeks or like a month, depending. And I don't know where else I can get 55 pounds of shea butter, so why not, right? And they actually have great quality butters too, so that's always a plus. All right, these are my 8-ounce jars. This is what I use for the hair balms, the hair butters, and I don't think it's necessary to open it right now, especially because I'm not going to use it right now. But yeah, that's pretty much what's in here. I get this from Uline. You can package, see? 8-ounce straight-sided jars, $3.20. All right, so let's put this right here. Okay. All right. Earlier, I was on FaceTime with my brother and I was showing him the inventory that I got. He was like, "What's in the Amazon box?" I was like, "I don't know, probably some herbs or whatever." So now I'm curious. I'm like, what is in the Amazon box? What did I order? So let's see. I try not to cut too deep because I don't know what's in these boxes. I don't want to like cut something. Oh, this is probably some 4-ounce bottles. Yeah. I had ordered this as backup because I didn't think my inventory for the original was going to come in time. So I had ordered from containers and packaging, and mainly because my original company, Uline, they didn't have the 4-ounce bottles, so I tried ordering with them, and it actually came pretty quick, so that was good. I didn't really need to order this, but whatever. It's always good to have backup. Because someone asked me, they was like, "Yeah, how do you know your products are organic?" When I order them, I have the option of choosing organic versus standard or like regular, whatever you want to call it, and I always try to go with the organic version because organic is of course better quality. So yep, so this is 55 pounds. This is another 55 pounds. I'm not lifting that up on camera right now, I'm so sorry. And here we have my containers and packaging. So this is the 4-ounce bottles that I was just telling y'all about. This, I use it for the maximum strength hair growth oil. This is the oil that contains 10 plus herbs, including neem, fenugreek, amla powder, bringrage, all the good stuff, y'all. This is what you really want to be using if you are serious about your hair growth journey, basically. So let me show you guys what they look like. Okay, let me just open it. That's what that looks like. And then let me show you guys the caps that come with it. Honestly, I just want to make sure that these are the right caps because this is my first time ordering from them. It should be because they had the same. Yay! Ooh, these are secure. I like these. The ones that I was ordering off Amazon, because Uline didn't have them, when I twist them too hard, they actually pop right back off. So it was like, this is not too secure. So this one doesn't do that. So that's good. And the top is also very firm. I like these. They're good quality. If you know me, you know I'm all about quality. All right. Put this over here. What's in this bad boy? Okay, they said fragile, so maybe I have no idea what's in here. Mommy ain't got it for me. It's called a money plant. I need to find the original name for it because I don't really like calling it money plant. But I love me some plants. I love me some flowers. I am a nature girl. I actually wanted to start my own garden a while back with like fruits and veggies, but I live up north, so that's not ideal for me. I have been thinking about getting like a greenhouse. What's it called? A greenhouse thing? I don't know, but it's basically like a stand and it has like light that like artificial sunlight to grow the plant. That's basically what I wanted to do, but I had to take a pause on that mainly because I had a lot going on, you know, like my business or whatever. So I don't know, I might get back into it. Y'all let me know what y'all think, and if you have any experience with greenhouse gardening or whatever. But yeah, I really like my plant so far. Like, I'm so excited. I had a snake plant and I just neglected it so bad to the point it started dying and I felt so bad. So this was really like a it brightened up the mood and got me back into the gardening, into my plant mom era. So yeah. All right, so back to this. I don't know, maybe a box cutter. This is what I hate about Uline. They pack so many peanuts in here, y'all. It don't make no sense. Let's see what's in here before I even. So we have about like, I'm only at the top and I already see 3 boxes. Y'all, I forgot what I ordered. I'm not even joking. Okay, so we have our 2-ounce glass bottles. That's mainly for our rosemary infused oils. And then this is probably another 2-ounce. Yep, that's another 2-ounce. Let's see what's at the bottom. Okay, so we got like 1 box at the bottom here, another box at the bottom there. Oh my goodness. Should I reuse these? I can't even grab the other. Oh yeah, they were supposed to send me a gift too, because my order was over like $250, $300. Somebody car alarm going off. Uline, count your days. Count your freaking days, Uline. We got it, y'all. So these are my teal poly mailers. I'm not gonna open it right now because we already got a lot going on. We got a lot going on. I'm gonna actually take it out the box because Uline was supposed to send me my gift and I wanna make sure that it's in here. So they always give you like a free gift when you order over a certain amount. With me, I had ordered a duffel bag last time, and this time I ordered a book bag. Don't ask me why. I could only think about having extra book bags and duffel bags to travel, because you know me, you know your girl likes to travel, so why not? Oh, here it is, guys. Here's the book bag. Thank you, Uline. All right, let's open it. Let's open it. Let's open it. Let's open it. Okay. So it's supposed to be a camouflage book bag. Last time I ordered a duffel bag, it was super cute. It was like a tan color, and I really liked it. I don't know. I might give this to my brother though. I might give this to my brother or my boyfriend. But yeah, this is not giving girly. It's not a girl aesthetic at all. Like, it's very manly, boyish. So yeah, not my style. I don't know, y'all think I'll pull it off? Just kidding. Okay, back to the inventory haul. So the other box that's in here, it's my poly mailer, my bubble mailer. So I'm not even gonna take that out. We're just gonna leave everything back in here because right now it's about to be 12 a.m. and your girl still gotta make products. So that's pretty much it for this big box over here. So we have two 2-ounce boxes along with two boxes full of bubble mailers. So let's get these packing peanuts back in here. Uline, counter. Is it really that necessary? At least my things are safe though, right? All right. Now we're just gonna put this aside, or maybe leave it here. Yeah, we're gonna leave that here for tonight. What is this? Put this back in here too. Okay, and then here we have our last 2 boxes, which is from Book Apothecary. I normally get my oils from them, so I'm pretty sure that's what this is. Yep. So we have 4 oils in here. We have our organic sunflower oil. And then we have our glycerin, which I use for the new hair butters. We have our jojoba oil and our castor oil. So I know, ooh, I just cut my arm. All right, so I know this is gonna be super heavy, so let me just put this on the ground. That way I can show y'all the other box and what's in there. I think there's another 4 oils in here. Okay, what we got in here? So We have our vitamin E oil, and then we have our grapeseed oil, our vitamin E oil again, and then did I show you all this already? Okay, grapeseed oil again. And then here they just included my receipt or whatever. So I do need to double check my order just to make sure that everything was correct. But from them, I ordered for about $753. So when I tell y'all this is an $1,000 plus inventory haul, your girl ain't lying, okay? Let me make sure my address not on here if I show y'all. Look at this. $753.21. Okay? All right. Y'all, every time it's time for me to do inventory, I'm like, oh Lord, Jesus be offense. But it's okay, because that's a sign that, you know, the business is growing, so that's good. That's good. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what type of content y'all would like to see, and make sure you check out the link in the description so that you can check out my hair care products. I will be posting more content like this and kind of behind the scenes. So I'm looking forward to connecting with you guys, and you guys seeing my journey behind my hair care business and as a content creator as well. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and yeah, let's stay in touch. Bye guys, see you soon.